This is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to begin with, we will need to launch the Google Calendar app, which I'm not sure is pre-installed on this phone, so let me quickly check it. Alrighty, so here it is. Then choose, or rather select, the date that you would like to create an event for, or an event on. I will go with 25th of March. Then tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, and in here you can name your event, set the time frames for it to occur, make it repetitive or reoccurring, change the time zone, invite other event participants or other people that you would like to participate, add the location that this event will take place at, add some brief description, change the visibility of your event, make it public or private respectively, and change the status of it from busy to free, and vice versa. Then you can just go ahead and save it. Here is the event. Upon tapping at the event, you can see its details or edit those details as well. And you can delete the event entirely, like that. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.